Good morning, students. I am SK Vidyarthi, PGT Computer Science, MGSS Darbhanga. And today I am going to talk you class 6 Computer Science, and the chapter is Computer Fundamentals. This is the second parts of this chapters. Previous class I have already talked to you about the computers, data information and computer systems, hardwares and softwares. And in previous classes I have already talked to you about the input devices, processing device and the output devices. Now in this video I am going to talk to you about the storage device. So this is a type of device in which we are doing the storing. We can do a storing for the future use whenever we have to use in the next time. So we can utilize from the storage device. We can doing a storing in two ways, either inside the computer, within the computers. So this is the internal storage device. Whenever we are doing a storing in the hard disk, that is the RAM and ROM. So this is the internal storage device. But whenever we are doing a storing in the externally, we are taking from the markets and then we are doing a storing in that devices. Says the CD, DVD, Blu-ray disc, floppy, pen drive, flash drives, memory stick. So these are the external storage devices, and we are doing a storing here. And whenever we have to need, we have to open it and we can utilize to do works there. So this is the storage device. Okay, all those things is the hardware. Now we have to talk to about the softwares. So in the previous class I have also given you this introduction about the softwares. So without the softwares computer can't work. So we must have to install the software so that the computer is doing works. Without software this is simply a dumb machine, simply a box. There is no any utilize. Now that what is the software? So we have to know detail about the softwares. The users is giving its commands or instruction to the computers, then it is going to work. Without instruction and command computer is not working. So a group of instructions is called as the program, and again a group of program which is used for solve a particular type of works, it is called as the softwares. Okay, now we can categorize the software in the three category. First category is system software. First category is system software, and the second category that is the device driver. Second category device drivers. And the third category that is the utility software. Third category that is the utility software. And the next one is application software. System software is categorized in the operating system software, operating system software. This operating system software, it is a type of software which is controlling our computers. It's controlling the works of computers. So generally the operating system software is three categories. This operating system software is based on two funda. One is CUI based and another is GUI based. CUI is the character user interface and GUI is graphical user interface. In character user interface, we are giving the textual command, but in graphical user interface, we are giving the commands through the icons, through the buttons. So it is very user friendly, and in this case, very easily we can walk through the GUI operating system software. But it is very difficult to do works with the CUI based operating system software. Here the example is the DOS. DOS is the famous examples of CUI based operating system software, and the Windows is the famous examples of the GUI based operating system software. So in this videos I have talked to you about the operating system softwares. Next video I will talk to you about the device drivers, and then utility software, and the broad category, that is the application softwares. So in next video I will talk to you about all those softwares. Okay, thank you.